Compatibility. For Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 1, 2, Life P2, Earfun Air Pro, Skullcandy Indy, Sesh and Sesh Evo earphones, provides a custom, comfortable, secure in-ear fit, won't interfere with charging, superior sound experience. Ultra comfy. Custom fit for all day. Work all day, play all night with body heat activated memory foam that adapts and molds to your ear for a completely customized fit and hours of comfortable listening. Stays in place. Secure fit and no more lost earbuds. Engineered to be the perfect length and shape for optimal in-ear fit, these tips stay securely in your ear, whether you're pounding the pavement or grooving to the music. Big vibrant sound. Superior sound. Block exterior noise and enhance your bass, creating an exceptional audio experience whether you're concentrating on a call or cranking the tunes. Premium materials for a premium sound. The original memory foam earphone tip. Made in the USA using proprietary memory foam materials for the ultimate in-ear headphone upgrade. Top reviews from the United States. Pricey but worth it. I love these. They seem pricey for just a few small bits of foam, but I have to say, wow, what a difference from the stock silicone tips. The TW-200-A tips I bought fit perfectly on my JBL Live Free Buds. I used the medium-size silicone tips and went for the medium-size Comply tips, and the fit is perfect. If your buds keep falling out, try these. They aren't cheap, but they are worth it.